Did you know your body has a built-in system that turns the food you eat into energy and nutrients every single day? From the moment food enters your mouth to the moment your body absorbs what it needs, an incredible journey begins. Today, we are going to walk through that journey step by step. Welcome to Papa et al. Nature's Pharmacy. Here we explain human anatomy in simple terms and explore how traditional herbs may support the body naturally. Let's begin. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces. At the same time, saliva mixes with that food. Saliva contains enzymes. These enzymes begin breaking down carbohydrates even before food reaches your stomach. Chewing is more important than many people realize. The better you chew, the easier digestion becomes. Once swallowed, food moves into the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects your throat to the stomach. It uses rhythmic contraction called peristalsis to gently push food downward. This movement happens automatically, you don't even think about it. When food reaches the stomach, the next stage begins. The stomach acts as both a storage pouch and a nutrient chamber. It releases gastric acid and digestive enzymes. These substances break food down into a semi-liquid form. The stomach also churns, its muscle contracts to make food thoroughly. This process prepares nutrients for absorption in the next stage. From the stomach, the food moves into the small intestine. Despite its name, the small intestine is actually very long, about 6 meters in adults. This is where most digestion and nutrient absorption happen. The inner walls of the small intestine are covered with tiny finger-like structure called villi. These structures increase surface area dramatically. As food passes through, nutrients move through the intestinal wall and into the bloodstream. From there, your blood carries vitamins, minerals, and energy to the rest of your body. This is how the food you eat becomes usable well. What remains after nutrient absorption moves into the large intestine? Here, water and certain minerals are absorbed back into the body. This process helps maintain hydration and balance. The remaining material is gradually formed into waste. The large intestine prepares this waste for elimination, and that completes the digestive journey. In many communities, traditional herbs are used to support digestive health. Here in Abeokuta and other parts of Nigeria, certain plants are commonly known for this purpose. Bitter leaf, sometimes called ewuro in local use, is traditionally valued for supporting gut balance. It is often included in meals and herbal preparations. Ginger is locally known as ata lefunfun, has long been used to soothe the stomach. Many people use it in teas or food to support digestive comfort. Pawpaw leaves are also traditionally used in some herbal preparations. They are believed to support overall digestive function. Remember, herbs are supportive. They do not replace professional medical care. So now you understand the journey. Food enters the mouth. It travels through the esophagus. It is broken down in the stomach. Nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Water is absorbed in the large intestine. And your body receives the fuel it needs to function. In our next video, we'll explore how the stomach produces acid and why it is essential for digestion. Subscribe and join us at Papa et al.'s Nature's Pharmacy as we continue to explore the human body in simple, practical terms. See you in the next video.